In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade OneDrive storage. We'll walk through the official Microsoft flow so you can add more space quickly and securely. First, open your browser and head to the official Microsoft OneDrive page for personal cloud storage. Make sure you're on a Microsoft site so pricing and security are correct for your region. Once you're there, select Sign In and log in with the Microsoft account that holds your OneDrive. Tip: if you use multiple Microsoft accounts, confirm you're signing into the one you actually want to upgrade. If it's a work or school account, storage might be managed by your organization. After you're signed in, you'll land in OneDrive. Look for the upgrade prompt or the highlighted option that points to getting more storage. Click that to open the upgrade options. You'll see plans and prices tailored to your market. Choose the option that fits your needs, then click Buy Now. Before moving forward, it's a good moment to check the storage amount, the billing frequency, and the currency, so there are no surprises on your statement. Next, click Next to proceed to checkout. This takes you to Microsoft's secure payment screen. You'll be offered several payment methods. If you prefer using PayPal, select PayPal as your payment method. A secure PayPal window will open. Sign in with your PayPal credentials to link your account. If you don't want to sign into PayPal, you can choose the credit card or debit card option within the PayPal checkout and pay as a guest using your card details. Use the method you're most comfortable with and follow the prompts shown on screen. As you go through checkout, keep an eye on the order summary to ensure the right account and plan are selected. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the PayPal window can open correctly. Once your payment details are confirmed, continue through the on-screen steps to finalize the purchase. After completion, your OneDrive storage typically updates within moments. If you don't see the change right away, refresh your OneDrive tab or sign out and back in. You can verify your new space from your OneDrive settings under Storage, where your total and use capacity are displayed. If you ever need to change plans later, you can return to the same area to review or manage your subscription. That's it. Your OneDrive now has the extra room you need for files, photos, and backups, using Microsoft's secure checkout and your preferred payment method.